look good.
Okay.
You promise?
I'll bring the heels in.
You bring the heels in?
That's
Okay,
good.
touch up your hair.
No!
Karen! We're gonna be dressing up, Karen. Let's
Karen,
go.
come on.
Let's go,
No.
Dre.
Yes.
We're meeting Karen.
Do something with your hair.
No.
Karen!
It's a girls' night out.
Karen.
I am the girl that's been married 24 years. You bitches need to impress. I don't.
Yes, you do need to impress.
No, I don't.
Karen, we're gonna snatch your husband. That's
We're
what we're
gonna
gonna do.
snatch all the husbands tonight.
We're gonna
Snatch
snatch your
away,
husband.
snatches.
We're gonna snatch your husband, Karen.
Snatch away.
Okay, let's get ready, girl. Okay. So the pretending starts now. Oh my God, girl. Where are we going tonight?
Where are we going? Where do you feel like going?
I'm hoping that guy's gonna be there.
Oh my goodness.
They fucking hate us. Okay. Let's get ready.
I'm actually hot. But girl, I didn't shave my armpits. Look, I didn't shave my legs. What am I doing?
Put on some nice, tight, sexy jeans with some heels. Here, I have this one.
I have to do my makeup.
Yes, we do makeup.
Oh yes,
Or even
this
this one.
one
Okay,
or
okay.
this. Oh yeah, no, this
That
one, and then
one.
my. I know. Just a regular.
Hold on, bitch. We have to slay.
A regular.
Slay all these bitches tonight.
Nothing is regular. Ooh.
Girlfriend!
Stop!
You know I'm hoping he gonna be there, girl.